Hi everyone, in this week tutorial I will show you how to add stickers to your document or to your notebook using Kilonotes. Open the app, choose one of your documents or notebooks, and then go to this sticker icon right here, and then you can browse different styles like this. But now I just need a sticky note style, so I'll go to American Retro Sweetheart and choose this one. I put it right here, and then if you click on layer below, then your text under it, or not under because we put the sticker under it, but it will be visible. Alright, that's basically it, and thanks for your attention.